Matt. I'm Matthew Peterson. I'm the owner of HomeWatch Caregivers of New Haven. We help people live where they choose with safety, comfort, dignity, in a way that provides peace of mind for them and their families. I'm very, very happy to speak with Steve Rubin from the Drazen Rubin Law Firm. We're going to do two videos, two interviews. Part one, this is part one, is going to focus on Steve and his background and the wide range of services that he and his firm provide. And in part two, they do something that is very unique, which is incorporate care planning into a legal practice. So we'll handle that in a separate video because it is such a different way to do things. But with that as introduction, Steve, I leave it to you to tell us about what you did.
I appreciate that. Thank you, Matt. So I'm a certified elder law attorney. So what that means is I'm certified in elder law, estate planning, benefit law, and everything that we do around, including special needs planning for children with disabilities. Why do I do what I do? I got into it differently than most people. A lot of attorneys get into elder law because they started doing estate planning or they started realizing their clients were getting older and they thought they could help them with something. I got into it at a younger age because when I was in law school, my mom was diagnosed with ALS. And I learned going through the process with her, all the pitfalls, all the roadblocks, all the mistakes that could be made in a plan. And after she passed away, I was working at a firm doing commercial litigation. I got a case in that had some of these issues in it. And I realized I kind of liked solving those problems. I knew the answers from the research I had been doing. So I started looking into those things more and more and realized that, I wanted to get involved in it and that there was a group of attorneys that had a similar value system as I, and was able to join that group of attorneys. And it's a national organization and I'm proud to be a part of it now. And so we tend to look at it from a holistic approach, which is just a really nice thing for us to do for ourselves and for our clients and how we succeed.
Steve, one of the things that you and I were talking about before is that elder law can involve special needs trust and a variety of things that people don't really think about when they think about the traditional estate planning.
That's true. I mean, elder law is not, as a term came about because at first when it was really in existence, it was just for seniors. The reality is elder law incorporates so many different things, whether it's true or traditional elder law or elder care issues, to special needs planning for children with disabilities, to disability planning for adults who've been diagnosed with a long-term or terminal illness and need assistance or planning benefits, whether it's for care, whether it's for a situation of just how assets will pass to the next generation, whether it's about control. So elder law really encompasses all of those issues. So it's really not just about the elderly. Elder law can be for people who are newborns to people who have passed away and we're dealing with their estate administration, and it encompasses all of those issues and all of those areas.
Good. Thank you. It's one of the myths that people have that you have to be very, very wealthy to need services like yours, and we both know that's not true.
Absolutely not. Yeah, there's absolutely no dollar figure that says, okay, you need this or don't need it. The question really is, do you have a plan? And a plan isn't a document. Having a document, like people say, oh, I have power of attorney, so I have a plan. That's not a plan. It's a document. How is it going to be utilized? How is it going to work with what you're trying to accomplish? That's the plan. The plan might be having that power of attorney, which is a part of the plan, but it's not the overall plan. It's just a piece of it.
That is terrific. So this is part one. Steve's contact information will be below through YouTube. But thank you, Steve, and we'll talk to you in another minute or so about we'll go in a little bit more detail about what it means to be a life care manager and one that's affiliated to a law firm. Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you.